Okay. Then, Teacher Lian, what is that?
Apple.
Oh, next to apple, what is that?
That is
This one, no? This one, no? What's this? This one, what's this?
banana.
Very good. Next. This one, what is this? This one.
Iron.
What?
Iron.
Ayot, bulol. Next. This one, what is this?
AC.
Daisy, very good. Next. This one.
At. At.
At eggplant. Ano ba yun, bulol? This one.
Bird.
Fern, very good. This one.
X.
X. May X ba? Grape lang yun ah. Grape lang yun ah. Hindi, okay lang yun, okay. This one.
Nuts.
No, honeydew.
Ato.
This one is the nut so after. This one.
Coffee.
What?
Coffee.
Ivy. Random naman, random. Next, what is this?
TV.
Huh? This one.
Apple.
Mango. This one.
Oh yes.
Oh, yes. Galing ah. This one.
Ato.
Tomato kasi buo. This one.
Apple.
Ope. Very good.
Okay.
This one.
Egg.
It. Violet. Next. This one. What's this?
Nut.
Very good! Ang dami na. This one.
They apple.
Pine. Day apple. Hindi yung day apple. Pineapple.
By apple.
Oh, buyoy kati. This one. What's this?
Sticky.
Strawberry. Okay, very good. This is for Papa Al. Hi, Papa.
Yeah.
Hey to Papa. Bye-bye.